Hi, Dave Snyder here. It's the 27th day of November 2013. Thanksgiving tomorrow. Okay, I wanted to point out this cool weather pattern I've noticed right here. See this circular pattern right here? And I'm not saying that's the harp ring or anything like that. It's not even. I'm just saying that's that. What you see as above, as below, as I said in that one video. That's what you see right here in the weather is somewhere on the ocean floor. That's what the ocean floor must look like right here. And look at the big round area there. Oh my goodness. Holy shit. Which one will that be? Huh. I just saved this picture. I'm gonna save the whole picture now. I gotta save the whole thing. That's something else. Look at that. And oh, okay. What am I thinking? That's the Marianas Trench right in the middle, right? Or wait, that's up here higher. It's up here higher, isn't it? Yeah, that's a little bit higher, but I'm going to save this anyways. I like the looks of it here. I'm going to get China in there so I can use it to reference. A little bit of Australia in there so I can a little more reference. And let's save that. Call it Wonder. Wonder Hole 2. Okay. I'm not saying I'm going to do anything with it right now. I kind of want to go over and just look at what we can see here in the Wonder Map weather, because Google Earth is really shitty right now. I mean, they just totally, their weather is really maybe it's always been that way. It's all I had to work with before, or all I did work with. And here we go. We got a big circular pattern here, approximately 2,800. We can't measure it. Yeah, it's probably 2,800, 3,000 miles in diameter right there, that circular pattern. Got another one up here, which is Copernicus. That's Copernicus. See the pattern? That's Copernicus right there in the center, right here, right in there somewhere. Okay, so we got that there, that there. Now look at this over here. Yesterday I made a video. I don't think I uploaded it though, but I'm going to go ahead and show you if it's still see if it's still showing back on Google Earth. I'll show you in a minute. Look at this. Wow. Holy shit. Look at that. See that shape right there? Okay, hold on. Let me see where I am here. I'm going to get my bearings here. Turn this on myself first. Okay. So that is in a good spot. Wow, look at that. See that? That's probably Schrodinger. Or one right next. There's another one right by Schrodinger too. Turn this off. Another circular pattern. Big circular pattern there. See, this is what the ocean floor has to look like. These areas are showing the ocean floor. That's why the temperature changes like this. See the temperature change. These are microclimates or whatever, I guess. But they're like, it shows you the ocean floor. This is what it must look like. Interesting. That one right there is really nice. Because you see that circle in the center. I mean, right, check it out again. Right here. That's really, really cool to see that. I mean, from what I look at, that's important, because there's craters on the moon that are big impacts that people think it's just like Copernicus. They just look at Copernicus and they don't look at then they look at the rays, but they don't look at it being actually just the center of a big impact. You know what I mean? It's not just that. This is not the impact itself. That's the center of the impact. The impact goes way around the outside of Copernicus or Jackson or Tycho. So there has to be impacts like this you know, it's good to see this on the Earth like this. This shows where those impacts are possibly taking place. This is possibly one of those impacts with the big, you know, like Copernicus, or I don't think this is Copernicus. I think this we have to take a look at. It could be Copernicus, but I don't know. That's a different one. Maybe Jackson happened here. I showed Jackson hit here, but the continents were in different places when the impacts took place, I do believe. So here we go. Let's just I might as well work with that one right now, because I do have some things saved I can put in there before that. Well, I got that thing starting to disappear, it looks like. So I'm glad I saved it when I did. No, it's still there. Alright, so I'm going to shut this off. Go to Google Earth. And I named it. See, it was right here, huh? Yep, it was right there. Wow. So it's giving us a big clue here. Okay, so and it was called Wonder. Wonder 2. Okay, China's there. China gotta come down here. Right. Looks good to me. Does it look good to you? Looks good to you, huh? That's right on the money there. Looks like. Okay, so there we go. It's not in the middle of the. You see, I got this weather's lining up. This is Google Earth weather over the top, so we're good. We're aligned. So I'm gonna leave it there. Now I'm gonna take away the weather. I should take this. See how the weather looks here? It doesn't show you anything. But this one here with the weather off shows us something right here. Now I got to pull up various craters, and I have a couple that I saved yesterday, and I don't remember the name of them now. Stupid name, but it worked. This one? And there should be another one somewhere. This one. What's this one? With paint. I think that one. I don't think it's that one. I could try it though while we're here. I might as well just try it. But, nah, I'm gonna try this other one. This is open with. I don't think it's going to be that one, but it could be with, because I'm seeing this right off to the side, so I'm going to go ahead and flip this one, and we're going to check this one. Oh wait, it's already flipped, huh? Yep, already flipped. It's kind of looking like it's going to fit there. What if? Usually it'll put it down where it's supposed to go. That's why I usually just leave it right in that same area. I'm seeing something right here with this shape. Now you see that they're not giving us much to work with here. We can't see this area of the moon, so we have no idea what it looks like. For real. We have to go by what they show us. So we get very little detail around this crater, but I'm seeing something here. And I'm seeing something here. See that spot there? Look. And it looks similar to it. That right there, and that right there, and that right there being all three lined up like that. It could be, oh, and I'm seeing some kind of lines faintly coming out of there like this. Oh yeah, I can see something right there. See that? Watch. Holy shit. See that right there, people? That's what happens when you do this. Take a good look at the center. Take a good look. Well, I didn't save it too clear, did it? Not as clear as we could see it. got this texture down here. See all these? See that? Look at that. Yeah, that could be it. Let's just take a good look at it again. Oh yeah, that's it, people. They're just not giving it to us clearly. That's it. I can see this down here. I can see the whole. I can see that there. I hope you can see that too. Here, I'm gonna go ahead and leave it there, and we'll just check it out like this. Check it out. Bring the weather up. The weather on Google Earth. Bring that up. See what happens. It's not showing too much. But it's showing something right there, and it's showing that right there. And that right there. Look. See that spot? Look. See, I'm telling you, everything was in the Pacific, and all the continents were at one time in the Pacific as the supercontinent, where the subduction is. Is that too hard to even think possible? I mean, it's not really. I don't think it is. And we know there was a supercontinent, but I'm starting to think that it was different than what people imagine. I mean, some people must know this already, that already know what's up, but. Oh, look at that. See, they're hiding everything in this picture. Wow, they are totally hiding everything in that picture. You can totally see it. Totally see it. It's there, people. You can see just enough to it gives it away. It's just enough to give it to you, but not enough to prove it. See that? That's how they work. That's how they do it. At least on the sides of the moon that we can't see the side of the moon, so they're not going to give it to you clearly. Guaranteed. That's just the way people in this world are. Yeah, so just about everybody. I mean, I can see everything fall right into place in that picture. See, this is an interesting area here, right here. And I bet you I know what's underneath it. Let's check. Actually, I don't know what's underneath it. Let's see it. That's what I thought. This area here. This whole area. That's exactly what I was thinking right there. This spot right here. Yep. Same place. See how it kind of arches up right there. Watch. So that goes there. Probably goes right there, actually. But the weather's showing right here. It's a big one right there. Alright, that's it. You've seen that, I hope. Hope that one turned out alright. Alright, have a good day.